Welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. Collective reading po. Air signs. Ang mga life of the party, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. So, consider as the network. So, ang tema po for second quarter, sorry, is about mental reset para sa mga air signs. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, mental research and communications. So, a lot of changes this second quarter. This is the period for air signs to expect the unexpected. Yeah. So also a lot of news coming, a lot of networking. So importante po 'yan. Progression po yung ating yung ating buhay. So yung intention towards the end of the year, kung anong gusto nating ine-aim. Okay, gusto natin ng maraming pera, gusto natin ng 1 million sa bank account, gusto natin ng makapag-travel, gusto nating a healthy life, happy family, makakita ng partner. So it's a progression. So for second quarter, air sign, you need to focus on mental reset, yeah? Radical upgrade on communication at saka yung ating the way you guys think, yeah? Be curious, yeah? Be curious. There's no such thing as weird idea. You're gonna have a lot of yung curiosity mo, marami kang magiging idea na maraming pagkakakitaan. It can be your way to discover something great. Yeah, second quarter, a lot of planetary shift. Second quarter, good news and also a lot of invitation. Marami kang invitation. Kaya I always say na ang Libra or Gemini, ang air sign, Aquarius, eccentric, forward thinking, you are the life of the party. You have that personality. You are a good talker, communicator. You are considered as very diplomatic. I do have friends na air sign, very diplomatic. They exude this type of communication and the way they interact, very diplomatic sila. Okay, so Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, air sign, the network, consider as the network. Your theme for the second quarter is mental reset, yeah, be more open, and communication. Diyan kayo magiging winner for second quarter. That's how you gonna get more money, more connection, and more news coming your way this second quarter. Okay, there's no such thing as weird idea. You're gonna have some epiphany na pwedeng pagkakitaan. Okay, two of swords, see? This is curiosity. Crossroad. Kaya ka magkaka-crossroad. Hindi tayo magkaka-crossroad kung isa lang yung option natin. Yeah? So, pupunta ako sa kanan, pupunta ako sa kaliwa, pero wala pa akong clarity. Second quarter. So, bago pumasok yung second quarter, dapat malinis na ito. There's no such thing as walang clarity or visibility or undecided. So, ilatag mo na yan. The dream, first quarter, dapat second quarter, all signs should be start doing it. Yung intention mo, 3 million, 1 million, gusto mo ng maraming pera sa bank account, you start doing. You start acting. This is the period na you need everybody, zodiac signs, start acting. Kaya lang iba-iba lang po yung natin, yung personality and also the way we react on a situation. So, air sign, maximize mo yung communication and also your mental research, radical upgrade. Yeah, you need to be more forward thinker. Yeah, Aquarius yan. Libra, Gemini, medyo naghahanap kayo ng balance. So, don't, okay? Follow your ideas. Even consider na baka nakakahiya or weird ito or something. No. Second quarter, your authentic self, authenticity. That's how you gonna win. That's how you gonna expand yung trajectory mo. Goal, gusto mo ng pera and fat savings account, follow that one. Okay? Two of sword, headspace. Nagdadalawang isip, walang clarity. Wala na dapat yan sa second quarter. Okay, ituloy natin. Where is this going? Air sign, considers the network, good communicator. So, yung tema nyo, yung focus is mental research and communication. Okay, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Stop dreaming. Just act now. Do. Okay? Kung pinapanood nyo po yung yung reading ko, I always focus on the new moon and full moon. Meron pong message yan. May subliminal message. That's how we aim and how we do things. Hindi po madali yun. There were a lot of blockings. Pero we know when to put our energy. Okay, one card. Forget about yung nangyayari sa Middle East. It's a global thing. Focus on your trajectory and your vision. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. One card. What the air signs needs to know. Second quarter. Okay. What to focus on? Give me your blind spot. Okay, may mga Scorpio na nakakonect sa inyo, okay? This is a radical change. The Tower, okay? Meron tayong pong sitwasyon na we shouldn't be there anymore. Ito yung mga old ways of thinking and mentality na holding us. Minsan universe na mismo yung magbubuhos sa atin ng tubig na Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, hindi ka na dapat diyan. Yung mindset natin minsan, I'm not saying na makaluma po kayo. There are changes happening. Yeah? So we need to adapt that situation. This is the tower moments. Aalisin ka, it's a redirection. I consider this as a redirection. If you're dealing with a Scorpio, Scorpio po ako. So, this is painful. Not everybody can handle that. Yeah? Iiyak ka, masasaktan ka, mapapagod ka. Yeah? So, some people, they're not used to that. Yan yung mapapahiya ka. You will be humiliated. You will be insulted. You will be uutangan ka, hindi ka babayaran. Mai-scam ka. Yeah? Those are the tower moments. It's a redirection for us to be the better person who we are now. Ang goal mo, 2 million, 3 million. But you don't need to be you're not supposed to be there. Yeah? So, the universe is pulling you out. Pero, sasabayan mo yan, air sign, about a mental reset. Kasi this is where we keep on holding on to the past na it's no longer serving us. Ano po yan? Yung relationship mo, halimbawa na hindi na it's no longer working. Hindi ko po sinasabi na hiwalayan nyo or something. There should be a communication. Kaya sabi dito is air sign, mental reset and communication. Yeah, that's how you're gonna have the tower moment. You have to go through on that one. Sasabihin mo sa boss mo na diretsuhan na, I deserve this salary increase. Sir, ma'am. Yeah. Or sasabihin mo sa asawa mo, partner mo na hindi naman puro ako na lang yung magtatrabaho. Kailangan kumilos ka naman dyan. Yeah? Those are the tower moment na we have to go through. Communication, radical upgrade. Yeah? We need to adapt that. And the more you able to adapt that, the more the change will happen to you. Yung po yung transformation. You're gonna have a tower moment. Scorpio element. Maski na hindi mo to, ina-avoid mo ito, it will happen. It will happen. The universe is, redirecting you. Okay? So, start doing. Kung hindi mo kayang gawin, it will happen. Nasa split siya. Tower again. Okay. There will be a lot of changes this second quarter. A lot of, planetary shift. Energy po yan. We are all energy also. Okay. Air sign. Okay. What else? Libra, Gemini needs to know. Second quarter. See, completion. May completion ka. Again, depende po yan sa intention. Pra or man. Second quarter na po ito. So, dyan tayo na, na Libra, authentic self. Dyan po minsan tayo nahihila. Dyan tayo nahihila. And then, we all ended up asking, 3 years ago, ganito na ako. Bakit? Ganito pa rin ako. Yeah? Okay. There's a planetary shift. Sasabayan po talaga yan. Okay. Kunin ko siya. Lumitaw. Okay. Temperance is Sagittarius. Okay, that's fire element. I think you need to do some alchemy. Okay, ano po yung alchemy? Yung mental reset mo, okay? Communication. Communication, very strong ka dyan. You know how people na the way they talk, yung pagiging, I know Libra. I have somebody close to me who is a Libra na very diplomatic. The way she talks, she can influence people. You know, mas kinagalit na yung nakapaligid sa kanya, but the way she talks and command, it changed the dynamics noong nakapaligid. Yeah? Ay, hindi naman po sana ganito, ganyan. And then the people will start reacting in her favor. That's how we do the alchemy. That's how you're gonna focus and leverage or take advantage yung communication mo. Air sign, good communicator. Kaya magaling kayo mag-ahente. I always say that. You have that personality. People drawn on you. Kung hindi nyo po alam yan. So that's why you have to take advantage of that one. Ganyan ang nyo. You are the network. You are considered the network. Iba yung sign, yung element ng signs, iba-iba po yan. That's how you know your authentic truth and authentic self. That's how you gonna increase your wealth. Yeah? So, Temperance alchemy is Sagittarius. Sagittarius is fire. Sagittarius is the spark. Okay? So, ang air sign, kung nawawala yung passion, that's raw passion from temperance, yeah? Nag-alchemy. Kaya niyang i-solidify yung water, liquid to metal, yeah? Those are the alchemy. Use your mind. You are sharp on that air sign, yeah? Discover something great. Discover a new idea. This is the period you will discover a lot of things. Don't consider this as weird. Akala mo weirdo, baka pagkakakitaan mo yan, you didn't know. Okay. Ituloy natin. Oops, sorry po. Okay. You're dealing with, some of you is Scorpio and Sagittarius, okay? But the tower moment, the tower moment will come in second quarter. Marami kang news na matatanggap. Ito na siguro yung mga hinahanap mong trabaho or opportunity or anything related to your finances. If yun ang minamanifest mo, yeah? If you are manifesting, ano po yan, wag lang sasabihin na gusto kong yumaman. You need to tell ano mo yan, 2 million, 3 million, that's how you want to get it. Sabihin mo. And that's how you're gonna work and do your alchemy. Alchemy is magic. Okay. One card. Air sign. What Libra, Gemini, Aquarius needs to know. Second quarter pa lang po. There's no time to give up. This is Oh, Five of Pentacle. Yeah. Some of you, ito yung sabi ko, limiting belief. Ito yung, yan po yung talent natin. Maski na no matter how nagtitinda ka, nagtatricycle ka, tataas yung gasolina, you have an expansion as well. Yeah? Maski na nagtatrabaho ka sa call center o waiter ka, you can have that expansion also. You don't have, huwag kang magkaroon ng limiting belief na yan yung hawak mo yung susi actually. Ina-isolate mo, hanapin mo yung katribo mo na who can motivate you if you're losing it. Yeah? Na, sa simula pa lang ng second quarter, ano ka na nagdududa ka na Crossroad, good thing po yan. As a crossroad, meaning maraming choices. I understand, iba-iba kasi tayo ng pinaghuhugutan and madaling sabihin na maraming trabaho dyan. High school graduate or elementary, you know, those kind of thing. But you have skills. That's what it means here. That's what it means here. So, you shouldn't be there anymore. You shouldn't be in that situation. Meron kang magic. Hindi mo lang ginagamit. Air signs. Hindi mo lang ginagamit. You have the network. Kaya sinabi ko katribo. Minsan yung katribo na yan yan yung people na who can help you. Yeah? You can help you. Don't get out of the two of sword. Mabigat yan. Mabigat yan. It's time to wag mong is short change yung kakayahan mo. Never short change na ahente ka, wala akong mabenta lately. Mga ganun tipo, mahina kasi tataas yung gasolina or maraming retrenchment. Yeah? You have the yung pangarap natin, hindi po madali yan. Okay? Yung po yung sinasabi mo na 2 million, 3 million, magbagong sasakyan, maganda, you know, health, wealth, and abundance. Okay? You have it inside of you. Okay? Your guardian angel is spiritually. Okay? I will use the metaphysical realm. Okay? Yung structure mo in terms of your religious and belief setting. Yeah? Higher vibration. Kung nawawala ka, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, tap that one. I will call this common sense. Sa hirap ng buhay now, reality, it's the common sense. Lahat po tayo, we have the instinct to survive. Meron tayo pong survival instinct. No matter na nagdidil-dil na lang tayo ng tinapa, think 3 or 10 years ago, did anything happen na hindi na malasado or hindi na nalampasan? Binaybay mo yan. Yeah? Don't have that, never ever go to stay in that limiting belief. Talent yan. Lahat po tayo. Air sign, second quarter, mental reset. Baguhin mo yun. Huwag kang magbulag-bulagan. Yeah? Huwag bulag-bulagan. Check your new moon reading or full moon reading na available po sa video ko. It might connect you. I want to connect yung reading ko, new moon, full moon, sa progression ng year. There's work, pero ultimate goal natin is at the end of the year, gusto mo ng more money or health or abundance. This is the thing that you need to do. Second quarter, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, mental reset and communication. Focus on those two major key energy. That's how you're gonna win. You're gonna win big. Ituloy natin. Second quarter, what air sign need to know? Okay? Saan mo dapat itapon or ilagay yung energy mo? Okay. Let's get one more card. Air sign, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Start doing. Do it. You're gonna have a lot of great discovery. Okay? For you, for air sign. Give me one card. One card. One more card. Mental reset, meaning yung old ways of thinking. One card. Ako marami kang invitation coming this second quarter. Okay, be receptive. You will expect the unexpected. You will have a lot of those epiphany. Okay, no idea is weird idea. Iba yun ang ano nyo eh. Doon kayo, yun ang ano nyo, asset nyo. Okay, one. Okay, may hesitation yata. Okay, one card. Oh, see? Second quarter, expect all the news coming. Sabi ko na ba sa inyo, okay, second quarter, you have a lot of news coming. Invitation, yeah, networking. Take advantage of that. Niluto mo na ito bago nung pangpasko. Meron kang naiisip. Again, yung ibang air sign, nasa stage na sila ng transformation. Master na nila itong yung mental reset and communication. Sa hindi pa nakakaalam or you're new to this type of alchemy, start doing it. Nire-redirect ka, or for some of you na kaya may tower moment ka. The other air sign, you've been through this tower moment. Alam niyo yan, especially now merong gera sa Middle East. You know how to play this rule and you know how to play this game. Okay. Ituloy natin. You're gonna have a lot of news. Okay? So, shout out po ako sa mga fellow FW. Okay. Tignan natin. One card and then let's see the outcome. One more card. What Libra, Gemini, Aquarius needs to know. Second quarter. Mental reset, communication. Radical upgrade. Yan ang kailangan nyo. Be curious. Be curious always. Okay, one card lang. One card. Yeah, okay. So, that's a curiosity. So, meron kang pinag-iisipan na pagkakitaan or anything to that effect dahil sa practical, okay? Air sign, sometimes hindi nila alam yung practicality. not for everybody, okay? So, you're the life of the party. I understand that, okay? Wag lang excesses. Okay? So, there's a curiosity na pagkakitaan, minor lang, maliit lang, pero it's a curiosity. At least, it's a good start. Yeah? And again, news. This is an invite to ano po ba yung mga, ano na ngayon, uso na yung pagbebenta sa, sa online, okay? Yeah, okay. So, ako rin, magbebenta na yun ako sa susunod ng merchandise ko. Yeah? So, small step. That's how it is. So, yung effort, I know there's some of you may fear siguro kasi kailangan ng malaking puhunan. Yung mga ganon, magtinda ng banana queue. Mga ganon tipo. You can use your alchemy. Use you have that power, yung communication ninyo. You do not know that. Yeah? There's no such thing as weird idea. There's no such thing. Sa hirap po ng buhay, we need to be practical. Page of Coins, Pentacle, this is a practical step. I consider it as a baby step. Again, gusto mo ng 3 million, 2 million at the year. You need to do the alchemy. Baby step. Importante, nandun ka sa stage na you are doing it. Doing it, second quarter, okay? Doing it. Mental reset. Nahihiya ka ba or what? No. Communication. Yung meron kang inner work na gagawin dito. That's why you have this tower. Bubuhusan ka. Ito na rin yung I consider it na meron tayong mga attitude minsan. Tama po ba? Hindi lang air signs. Okay, lahat po tayo. Okay? So, the situation calls for a change here. Second quarter, kaya mental reset. There's a reset, mental reset. It's no longer working. Alisin mo na yung hangin-hangin or hiya-hiya. Second quarter na tayo. Yeah, you don't want to be at the end of the year, yung merong missed opportunity. You don't want that missed opportunity. Yeah. Second quarter, there's no time for giving up or getting confused. Okay. Kuha pa ako ng isang card. San dito? Balik ako dito. Okay, air sign. Expect the unexpected. Maganda yung message ng air sign actually compared to I'm not saying the other sign doesn't have, pero I prefer your message kesa sa water sign. Okay. Sa water sign, ang binibigay lang sa amin ng universe is confidence. But that confidence can give expansion and money also. Yeah. Yours is it's more radical, very AI, very advanced, very technology. Okay. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Okay. Give me one more. Okay, one more card. One more message. One more message. One more message. Okay, ayaw niya. Hindi sa'yo yun. Ano yan? Mag-jump yung card if that's yours. Okay. One card. One card. O, yan. Oops. Kunin ko rin ito nakataob. Okay. Yeah, okay. Dreamy. Okay, two messages here. Okay. Oh, Eight of Pentacles, hard work and dedication and perseverance. Yeah. So some air sign, some people, sabi ko alam nila yung laruin na, they're on that mature level, and just continue that one. Yung pacing mo, yeah. 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, 70,000. Ituloy mo lang yan. There will also major shift in you. It can be an expansion in terms of promotion or expansion in terms of your business na maliit lang and maraming maapektuhan sa pagtaas ng langis. Definitely, yeah. Don't just give ano tawag dito, huwag ka sumuko. Yeah, huwag ka sumuko. Second quarter, slow progression to some air sign. Hold on to that resources na nasa iyo, hawak mo. News is coming to you also, okay? Hintayin nating makalagpas tayo dito sa second quarter, but the energy of second quarter is mental reset. Yung dream, yung illusion, kalimutan mo na muna yan. Start acting now and start doing it. Meron kang mga choices. Definitely, I can see it here. Yeah. Yung siguro hinahanap mo dito, that's why naka 2 of sword ka. Merong Scorpio element dito. Medyo madrama yung sentimental. You need to okay, Mercury retrograde pa. Hintayin mong ang April if you want to decide. Some of the people na Libra, Gemini, Aquarius who are on a crossroad of deciding, yeah. May ang dami mong offer dito, naguguluhan ka minsan. I'm not saying that you need to be careful siguro. It's radical change, okay? Yung curiosity mo, I understand that, pero you need to be discernful, yeah? Expect the unexpected and don't decide during the Mercury retrograde. Wait until April or around April during the Aries season. Hintay mo yung birthday ni Aries, okay? You're gonna make the right choice there. You're gonna make that right choice. Use your have that mental clarity first. Umalis ka dun sa limiting belief na yung nililimit mo yung kakayahan mo. Okay. One card. Meron pang gustong sabihin. Okay, one card. One card. Okay, air sign. Okay, see? Gemini. Okay. authentic self. Okay. Merong offer in terms of love also, and second level of happiness. Tataas na yung level nung relationship, partnership. It can be to your boss, spouse, family, or if you want it your way, dahil controlling din kayo, you don't get second opinion. Well, you get second opinion, okay? Doon kayo nag-ano, especially Gemini and Libra. Okay? Aquarius is very independent. Wait until that second quarter, you're gonna solidify yung level of partnership. Yeah? Crossroad, it can be a crossroad as well. So, if you're no longer on that you shouldn't be in that situation anymore, you're gonna have that answer also. Second quarter, you need to make a decision. Yeah, radical upgrade. Yeah, but a lot of news is coming your way. And you have a redirection. Magkakaroon ng redirection. You are in control here. I can see you're in control. Gamitin mo yung communication mo. Meron kang magic doon. You can influence. You can influence yung outcome. Okay? May influensyan mo yung outcome. Kung ano yung gusto mo, makukuha mo. Pag sinabi mo gusto mo ng ganito na gusto mo ng wine na pink na yaga na made in something, you're gonna have that also. So claim your radical change. This is for the better. Okay? Expect the unexpected. That's the Tower. A lot of news coming. A lot of invitation. Careful lang dun sa who you choose. Who you choose. Second level of love. Okay? This is Gemini. This is Gemini, authentic self. Sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam who you are as a human being, as a person, and your role dun sa dynamics ninyo, it's time for you to understand yourself. That's how you're gonna win big. Preparation po yan towards the end of the year. Aim to 2 million, 3 million. Start understanding what you need and your authentic self. That's how you're gonna claim any victory, any form of victory. Yeah, slow progression. Some of you merong slow progression, but commonality, air sign, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, you're the life of the party. Makukuha mo yung gusto mo. Makukuha mo yung gusto mo. There's no doubt about it. Okay, one moon card. One moon card for Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign. One lang. One last card. One last oracle. One last oracle. One last oracle. One last oracle. Moon oracle. Okay. April is heavy. Sa hindi po nakakalam kasi magta-transit tayo from Pisces season to April is Aries, and then you have the Taurus, and then you have the Gemini. Okay, meron po akong monthly birthday reading. Okay, one card lang. One card. Okay, meron mga may hesitation dito. Okay, because of this Five of Pentacles. Don't. Wag po tayong papayag na we feel stuck. Never. Five of Pentacles, iminamalit mo yung sarili mo. Don't. We don't. Okay. So, sabi dito ng pusa, okay, make time to focus on your own spiritual well-being and connect to the metaphysical world around you. Did I say metaphysical? Yeah. This is the one. Okay? Spiritual. Important po yan. Kung ano man yung belief setting mo, paniniwala, paano pa yung pananampalataya mo, those are the alchemy. Merong pong transformation yan. That's how you claim your magic. Yeah, lahat po tayo may power niyan. Kaya lang hindi natin natatap. We don't understand how to tap it. Expansive yung expansion, growth is abundant. We need to tap that. Tap that. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, second quarter of the year. That's how you gonna win big. Yeah? Okay, so sana nag-enjoy po kayo, air signs. So, salamat po.